Sunil Halli, a journalist, joins me from New York now. Sunil, one person killed. Do we know something more about this attacker? He's been injured, we're told.
There are very sketchy reports right now. We don't have specific details. I guess they're trying to figure it out. So we really don't have exact details right now.
Okay, Sunil, we'll come back to you in a while. Keep tracking that story. The shooting began at 9 a.m. local time. What we're told is there was one gunman who opened fire. Reports, Padmaja, say that the suspect is also fatally shot. This area has been cordoned off, but they don't know whether he was a lone ranger, whether this was random shooting, or there's more to this.
Absolutely. In fact, those unconfirmed reports say that the person has also been shot by the New York Police Department, but whether he's alive or dead is still not clear. In fact, a very interesting number of tweets on social networking site, microblogging site Twitter, giving almost live updates of what's happening. Like you just mentioned, this is a very busy time. A lot of office goers. It's also a tourist hub. This entire area, the 5th Avenue and East 34 Street, where the shooting took place, almost adjacent to the Empire State Building. Someone has just tweeted 29 minutes ago that the NYPD and DOA is on the scene. EMS requested on a rush. People are tweeting that multiple people have been shot outside the Empire State Building, shooting at the building, several gunshot victims, including a Grey Line worker. Another lady has tweeted there was shooting in front of the Empire State Building around 9 a.m. We heard it from the M34 bus. A man was killed right before me.
Okay, so that's where the latest inputs are coming in. The spokesman, of course, for the fire service saying they have no information about how many people have been wounded so far or their condition. 2 dead so far. That's what has been confirmed by the New York police. 2 dead, several injured. Why did the shooting take place? Who's the shooter? At least one of the shooters is fatally wounded. But was he operating alone? Are there others who are still in hiding? Padmaja, we still don't know.
Absolutely. In fact, Gaurav, more eyewitnesses are speaking out. On the internet, one woman says gunshots just flew over my head, infringing off, she means adjacent to the Empire State Building in New York. A young man just died in front of me. The gunshots were like a movie scene. Everyone running in every direction, and you can hear the gunshots everywhere, not knowing where to run. Another person says that we do know of 4 people being shot in addition to the shooter himself. So there's no mention yet of another assailant, but more than one source of news is now saying that the shooter also has been shot. Whether he's dead or alive, still not clear. Pretty chaotic. A number of ambulances and the police, of course, itself is at the spot. You can see the NYPD vehicles over there. The ambulance is there. At least one person has been wheeled away from the site of the shooting. The 3 other people who are injured, 4 civilians and 1 shooter in total, have apparently been injured in this entire episode. What's the fate of the others shot? Not clear at present, Gaurav.